Hello world, here's BT, your Bitcoin trading informant, your IOTA trading informant. Today is the analysis for IOTA. What's going on with IOTA? And attention, we have a really bad position for the moment. Break it or make it. I hope IOTA can make it and we will see the moon soon. This is the technical analysis and we will start this one now. Let's go. So, on the beginning, there was God. Now, okay, we're starting now. Here's Bitcoin. What can we see? Bitcoin is going down a little bit. And the good news, IOTA is going up a little bit. IOTA is acting better for the moment as Bitcoin. So, it is better to trade for the moment IOTA as Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin is going down 1.3% in the minus in 24 hours. And if we are going down and down and down and disable this one, and we're going down and down and down, what can we see? IOTA is here, place number 56. You can see it. We are going up to the upside more and more. We saw in the last 24 hours 3 places to the upside. IOTA is growing from place number 59 to place number 56, and we make 2% in 24 hours to the upside, and we are not going down as Bitcoin. Let's check IOTA and let's check the price prediction. And here are the bad news. The price prediction from CoinCodex is telling us, damn, we are going down really hard. This is showing us a prediction. We are in extreme fear in the market. We can see the sentiment is bearish, 59% bearish and only 41% bullish. And we can see here in this quick overview, this is the IOTA's 50-day, 200-day simple moving averages. Yes, we are under the green line. We are under the 50 MA. You can see it. We are still acting under the 50 MA. That are the bad news. We need to fight back this damn green line. And if we're going down more and more, we can see support and resistance levels. Biggest interesting stuff for the moment, 23.5. This is the biggest support with the most strength at the moment. 24.3 and 25.8 is the last support. And if we are checking the resistance levels, we can see 28.1, 28.9 and 34. This is the resistance level with the most strength to the upside. Now let's check the detail. Let's check the next 7 days, and this is looking not good. If we are looking on the IOTA price prediction, we can see IOTA price prediction, we are going down. We are going down 9% in the minus, 24 cents maybe at September the 28th. And we are going down more. This is the bad stuff, because if we are clicking here on show more, we can see, oh my God, everything is red. We are dumping. The price prediction is showing us October the 7th, 23 cents. Remember, 23 cents is the biggest support for the moment, and the price prediction is showing us we are going down. And if we are clicking here on more and going down more and more, you can see maybe this interesting support can hold. So remember, 23 cents. The next stuff what we're looking for is the candlestick pattern analysis, and we can see on the weekly time frame here on investing.com. Attention, September the 11th, we finished this one here. The falling 3 methods, bearish continuation pattern with a high reliability, really bad. What does it mean? What is the falling 3 methods? And I would like to show you this one here on this short stuff. The falling 3 methods is the opposite of the rising one. Yes, of course. The falling 3 methods appears in a downtrend. That's the bad stuff, guys. It's a bad downtrend maybe, and it's showing us we're going down more. The first candlestick in this pattern is a dark bearish candlestick with a large real body. The following few candlesticks should be smaller rising candlesticks that are bullish and light in color. Green, yes, of course. These candlesticks should not exceed the high or the low of the first candlestick. The last candlestick that completes the pattern should be below the close of its preceding candlestick, and should close lower than the close of the first candlestick. So, okay, it's not so hard, guys. It's really easy to see it here. We saw a bad body here, a red downgoing body. We saw some little green ones to the upside, and here the next red one. And this one is showing us attention, falling 3 methods, reliability high, bearish continuation pattern. Bam, it is bad. Here is IOTA versus Bitcoin. The good news are we broke the downtrend. I showed you this since long time. Diamond pattern, we are going down against Bitcoin, or we went down against Bitcoin. And yes, of course, we broke out to the upside. Now we are in this triangle. We are here fighting against the triangle. We are going up here. The bad news are we are building lower highs. The good news are we are building higher lows. And yes, of course, that's a triangle. What do we need? We need to break out to the upside. We need to break 0.786 Fibonacci. That would be a really nice sign against Bitcoin. Yes, of course, for the moment it is better to trade IOTA against Bitcoin, but it is not a big thing here. You can see it here. Now, let's go directly into IOTA. I will not make a too long video. I have a longer one in German. If you would like to see it in German, you can watch it on my channel, but this is the English analysis, and you can see the line chart. And on the line chart, you can see this bad stuff. What is it? It is a descending triangle on the line chart. We have a baseline here. We have this, a resistance line. A resistance line should be a red one. You can see it now. Support on the downside, resistance to the upside. What should we do now? Not a financial advice. I'm telling you what I do for the moment. First of all, we are making a shoulder head shoulder pattern, but it is not the big thing. The big thing is that we have a nice support on the downside. What did I do? I bought on the downside on the support, and now I hope we can make a next leg to the upside. I hope we can go up like this one to this point. That's my trading position. I have to tell you the bad news, but this is the good news. I'm hoping for a next leg to the upside. Okay, Coin Codex is showing us no, we will not go to the upside. No, we will go down from here. That's also a bad thing. What I would like to show you, because I took a little bit profit. Why took I a little bit profit? Because we have a resistance from the highest point over this point to this point. And what can we see? Why I took profit? Because we hit the resistance here on this point. You can see IOTA is reacting perfect. For everyone who's telling me in my comments, this technically analyzes it for nothing, you can forget it. No, I can make good money with this stuff, and a lot of traders are watching it, and a lot of traders are trading like this. Here was the resistance line, and here was a good point to make a little taking profit here. Okay, now I hope we can go up here, take a little bit breath, and we can go up here the upside. That's my nice hope what I have. Why do I have this hope? I can also show it to you, because if we are watching the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, we can see this nice one on the daily time frame. You know it, guys, every candle is 1 day. And you know it also here on the RSI, we can make a line from the highest point over this point to the downside. And what can we see? We broke the resistance. We are over this middle line, over this yellow line. You can see it, we broke to the upside. We are now going down, maybe retesting the line. That's possible. That's one reason why I took a little bit profit here. Retesting it. Now it is not a resistance. Now it is a support on the RSI. And yes, of course, that's a good sign. The bad stuff is we have no higher high here. You can see it, but we broke it. Let me tell it, good news. That's one of the reasons why I'm not completely out of my trade, why I'm still in a long position. I told you I took a little bit profit, but I'm still in the long, because I hope we can break out here to the upside, up to the triangle here on this side. This is the resistance. So buy on the downside, buy low, sell on the upside, sell high. That's the thing how I am trading. That's the really fast update for IOTA in the English version. I also would like to show you one thing. And this is the buy and sell indicator. Why I would like to show it to you? Because we have a buy signal. It is not the best thing, but you can see it here. We saw this really nice wick to the upside. We broke through the resistance, but the bad news are we are back again. It is not a confirmed closing candle on the daily time frame. We are down again. We have 12 hours to close this candle over this red line. This would be a really bullish sign for me. And maybe if we can close this candle here over the red one, I will make more entry. I will buy more IOTA, because I think this would be a really nice sign for breaking up to the upside more and more. If we are going into the 4-hour time frame, we also can see it here. We are building for the moment a little parallel channel to the upside, and it's looking like this one. This is our parallel channel. That means we have a new middle line. The middle line is here, and this middle line is now also a nice support. If we will see a confirmed closing candle on the 4-hour time frame under this middle line, this would be maybe a bad sign, but for the moment, a nice buy signal was here, a nice trade to the upside, and now we are going down. For our candle is also going down under the resistance. That's also bad. So guys, a really fast update in my opinion, but it is really necessary because Bitcoin is now, as I told you in the title, in a make it or lose it position in my opinion, because of this triangle. And the big stuff is, yes, we need to hold the support, we need to hold the bottom, and that's on the daily time frame here, this green line. That's so important now. Let's break through this resistance. Let's hold the green line. Let's make millions. Thanks for watching. That's not a financial advice. Please leave a nice comment. If you like it, please leave a thumbs to the upside or share this video all over the internet where you can. TikTok, I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch, everywhere you can. Please share my videos so we can grow here our community, our IOTA loving community. And guys, I made a really nice video about IOTA in my playlist. Please watch it. It is about Shimmer. It's really important to watch it because we have really good news for IOTA. And that's one of the reasons why I'm still in this long position. Guys, thanks. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, PD. Sorry again for my bad English, but I give the best to show you this information also in English. Bye-bye, guys.
System activated.